Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm just going to show you guys the easiest way to take out those stickers that comes with a 6 yard of Ankara fabric. Normally when you buy a 6 yard Ankara fabric, you normally get the stickers. I'm just going to show you. Normally it comes with this kind of stickers. Sometimes you have it too, so I'm going to show you the easiest way to take it out, because sometimes I know when you buy Ankara fabric, some people intend to just try to pull it, and when you do this is the effect you're going to get. It's not going to damage your fabric, but it's just going to give you extra work, and you don't want that. So today I'm just going to show you how to take this off. So what you're going to be using is an iron or a steam iron. Using a steam iron is easier for you, but if you don't have that, like I said, you can just use a normal iron. So what you do is to get an old piece of cloth or a towel, and then you check out where the sticker is. At this moment is here, so you just want to turn that around. And you gently iron the spot where the sticker is. You turn it around, and that's how you take it out. So sometimes you still have some glue to it, just iron it. After iron, see, everything is gone, and you're also saving your fabric. So guys, that's simply how to get the sticker out of the fabric. And like I said, sometimes you have two of these stickers. It's so easy to get out, to take it out. So what you please don't want to do when you get an Ankara fabric with the stickers on them, please do not try to peel them out. Do not try to peel those out. Now this one is coming, for instance, it's going well, but what you then get is this effect. Please do not do that. Simply iron it just the way I showed you, and you are good to go. And don't forget, before using your Ankara fabric, try to pre-wash them. You can put it in the washing machine, but it's advisable to just wash them with your hands before using them. Well guys, I hope this video is useful to you, and if you have any other question, feel free to comment down below, or you can also follow us on Instagram and we can answer any questions. We also sell different kind of Ankara fabric, so if you're looking for anyone, just check our website www.AfricanFabs.com, or if you're from the Netherlands or if you're in Belgium, you can check AfricanFabs.nl. Thanks a lot guys, and of course if you're new to this channel, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, because I'll be dropping different kind of videos on actually about a lot of things about African fabric. So hope to see you guys next time. Bye.